As I mentioned in previous videos, I was nearing the end of life for my original Tesla Model 3 tires. I reached 2/32 of an inch, which is normally when tires are considered worn out. The car lasted 23,178 miles with these original tires. I will talk more about that later. You're seeing video that shows the tires a couple thousand miles ago when they had between 2 and 3/32 of an inch of tread. Considering that I have the 18-inch wheels, I do have a number of options available now that I need to replace these tires. There is a great resource online that was created by a Model 3 owner that compares the different options available. I will list the spreadsheet link and associated Reddit discussion link in the video description. The spreadsheet is grouped by tire category, all season, summer, winter, and track. The tires are ordered based on tire rack ratings along with some other factors. You can see here that the columns show a lot of different specs and measurements for these tires. I made a list of some things to think about when ordering tires. This list isn't ordered in any particular importance. Do you want all season versus a summer-winter combo? Depending on where you live in the country, some people prefer the better handling characteristics of softer summer tires during warm weather, while some areas of the country require winter snow tires. My area is moderate, so all season works for me. The Model 3 weighs a lot and requires tires that have an XL rating, so you should look for an extra load XL or load index number of 96 or above, which is equivalent to 1,565 pounds per tire. Next, you have to consider size availability. Sometimes tires are only available in certain sizes, and the Model 3 comes in 18, 19, and 20-inch optional wheels. For example, for my 18-inch wheels, there are some good tire options that just aren't available in 18-inch. Treadwear Rating is a compromise between longevity and handling. Tires use the UTQG, or Uniform Tire Quality Grading, which is a rating system for treadwear. Summer tires usually have a high 200 to 300 range. All-season tires are usually in the 400 to 700 range. The higher the number, the longer the tread life. Tread life warranty can vary greatly from tire to tire. It is closely related to the Treadwear Rating. All-season tires normally are in the 40,000 to 80,000 mile range. It's not uncommon for the summer tires to be in a 20 to 30,000 mile range due to their softer and stickier rubber that wears faster. Initial tread depth, which can vary a lot among tires. Tires in this list range from 9/32 of an inch to 11/32 of an inch. This is also a factor in the tire's life. Now we have efficiency. Some tires are specifically designed for economy and efficiency. For example, the Michelin Mxm 4, the Primacy Tour, and the Pirelli Cinturato. And this is also a compromise. Higher efficiency generally lowers handling and performance. Unfortunately, I have not found any resources that actually rate tires on their efficiency. The speed rating tells you the speed the tire can safely maintain over time. A higher speed rating usually means you will have better control and handling at higher speeds, and that the tire can take the extra heat. As a general rule, tires with higher speed ratings can also handle better at slower speeds. Tires in this list have an H, V, W, and Y ratings, which are good for most use cases. The OEM tires have a W rating. H is 130 miles per hour, V is 149 miles per hour, W is 168 miles per hour, and Y is 186 miles per hour. Any of these are fine for the Model 3. It's generally good practice to use all four tires with the same speed rating. Lastly, we come to price. Some consider this more important than others. Tire pricing can vary anywhere from around $150 to $300 from high-quality manufacturers. Also be aware that rebates are popular for many brands, and tire retailers may also have additional discounts. Don't forget to look for those. Before I move on, I want to give a quick deciphering of tire size designations. For example, the OEM 18-inch wheel uses 235 45 R18 tires. The 235 is the section width in millimeters. 45 is the aspect ratio, which is the sidewall height divided by section width. And the 18 is the diameter in inches. By the way, the rim width is 8.5 inches. And now on to my final ranking. Your choices may be different based on your needs. In last place is the current Michelin Mxm 4. They are ranked low due to low treadwear warranty and poor ratings in light and deep snow, ice, and also ride quality and noise. I do feel that the foam inserts do help with tire noise. They do have very good efficiency. In fact, that is probably why these tires were chosen by Tesla. It's commonly reported that the Mxm4 are not great tires with regard to ride and performance. Next, we have the Continental Extreme Contact DWS 06. Above that is the Pirelli Cinturato P7 All Season. Next is the Michelin Pilot Sport AS 3 Plus. In second place is the Michelin Mxm Tour All Season. And in first place we have the Michelin Cross Climate Plus. Online I have seen many owners that switched to the Michelin Cross Climate Plus when they had to replace their original tires. These tires seem to get very good reviews. I have read comments saying that they are more comfortable than the Mxm4. They are a tiny bit noisier, and the efficiency is roughly similar to the original tires. Now for the bad news. Unfortunately, the Michelin Cross Climate Plus nor the Mxm Tour All Season were available in my area. I saw anywhere from 6 to 8 weeks back ordered. I also couldn't find them online either. So I chose to go with the Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 3 Plus. I knew my tires would be replaced soon, so I contacted Michelin Tire last week about the extreme wear my tires experienced. The original Mxm4 tires were rated at 45,000 miles, and I only reached a little more than half that number. So Michelin opened a warranty claim for me. I scheduled an appointment at my local tire dealer, and they would inspect the tires. There are a few things that need to be satisfied for the warranty. The tires need to be rotated at least every 6,000 miles. Mine were rotated 3 times up to this point. The wear also needs to be even across the width of the tires. No abnormal wear due to alignment issues is accepted. Also, the tires have to be worn to 2/32 of an inch. Unfortunately, Michelin has just phased out their OEM limited mileage warranty on 2018 model year vehicles and newer. Mine is a 2018, so technically I shouldn't have their warranty anymore. However, the customer service agent agreed to cover my car as a one-time act of goodwill. So I went to the tire retailer and ordered a new set of tires and scheduled an installation appointment. I provided the items needed for the Michelin warranty along with the case number. The good news is I ended up with a $490 prorated discount on my new tires. The new Michelin Pilot Sport All Seasons were originally costing $198, less the $122.50 prorated discount. I also received 2 rebates for $70 and $20 respectively that will bring down the total cost to $463 for everything. I think I got a good deal. I did have to pay for installation, but it does cover lifetime balancing and rotations. This amount also includes a road hazard warranty that will protect against any issues that I have with the tires getting damaged on the road. By the way, I measured an initial tread depth of these new tires at around 9/32 of an inch. This is similar to what the Mxm4 tires were at when they were new. I'm going to track the long-term efficiency of these tires compared to the originals. I'll let you know how they perform. So far the noise is a little bit more noticeable in the lower frequencies. Of course, being new tires, the grip feels much better, and so far the road feel is nice. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.